Telegram how to hide phone number. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can hide phone number on Telegram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to hide your phone number on Telegram, let's say you are joining a particular group but you don't want people inside the group to be able to see your phone number. You can actually hide your phone number from everybody. To do this, you can open the Telegram app, tap the three lines option there and go to settings. From here you can go to the option called privacy and security, and from here you can see under privacy the option called phone number. I have already hidden it and set it to nobody. If you want to do the same, select it. By default it could be under my contacts, so who can see my phone number, select nobody. Who can find me by my phone number, select nobody. And once done, you will be able to hide your phone number. This way you can hide your phone number on Telegram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.